So I was requested to talk about aliens. First off, I don't know much about that stuff, and I'm kind of skeptical that they are real, but I do have a lot of fascination with that stuff, especially space and the planets and how we're in the Milky Way galaxy and that there are galaxies beyond us and that there's other planets. Maybe there are other planets in different galaxies that humans live on. So, um, that stuff is, yeah, very fascinating, as I've already said. But seeing those pictures from Mars with that face, that they didn't look like what in my head I think aliens look like. It looked like maybe someone died there, that there is some kind of existence there and they died, or I don't know. Um, but that is kind of fascinating, and how they get these pictures from space, like with the Hubble thing and these black holes. It looks like something you could see in your mind. And when you look at it, or at least when I look at a black hole, I think of so many questions like, has anyone ever been sucked into a black hole? And how long does a black hole go for? Is it like infinite? Like it goes on and on and on? Um, it just blows my mind pretty much. Like all these things that we can do, but there's so much about space that we don't know because we can't breathe out there. It's too cold. And then I don't know, like the stars, it just, I wonder sometimes if stars are really what we draw them as, like if that's what they really look like if you get really close to them. Can you touch stars? I've got so many questions about this stuff, which there's probably no answers to, and maybe we won't find answers ever. But it's neat to wonder about and make up stories in your head what you think this stuff could mean. Um, and then the whole, like when we have moons, there's a moon coming up soon where they're going to have the moon and Mars side by side, which I'm going to try to find out that night which night it is, and because I want to see it. But I don't know why space is so fascinating. I mean, I'm afraid of the unknown and things we don't know, things that I can't see, only read about or see pictures of, but this is stuff that I want answers to. I've always been fascinated with science stuff. Like, I wasn't really good at biology, but the chemistry part, and I was in this experimental research and design class when I was a freshman in high school, and that one was pretty cool. It was kind of gross though when we had to examine pieces of rotten deer shank underneath the glass because it smelled really gross actually. But it's fun, like, because there's so much stuff behind certain things, and that's how we come up with what they are and what they mean and what they do. But as far as aliens go, I'm not sure. You know, people say they see UFOs, but maybe they're meteors or uh, chunks of shit falling from the sky, or maybe people are just imagining it. I don't know, because I know I hallucinate and I know some of the stuff I see isn't real, and I question if it is real. But who knows? I definitely believe in ghosts, though. I do believe in ghosts. Um, so I guess if you guys want to request anything else, I'll be happy to talk about it. So I will get this uploaded as soon as my phone will cooperate, and I will talk to you guys soon.